All right, and we are back with another video from Lego Tony B. This is of a kit I ordered off of eBay, $7.04 including shipping. Came from China, has 102 pieces. Steamroller, everything's in Chinese. Looks pretty interesting for $7. How can you go wrong? So I'm gonna go ahead and put it together, and I'll let you know what I think. Be back shortly. Okay, I'm back, and I have finished with the Enlightened steamroller thing. I found this build okay. You know, for Chinese bricks, it was, they held together alright, I guess. I like that it has stickers. You know, everything moves okay. The design seems fairly solid. The rollers do not move up and down. I thought they would. Didn't take me but a few minutes to put it together, but, you know, then again, this was only $7 from eBay, including shipping. Now, it does come from overseas, from the Far East, Hong Kong or China or wherever. So it does take a couple weeks to get here, but you can't beat it. And I have 3 others from this company coming, and they all cost around $7. So, anyways, I give a thumbs up to the Enlightened, and about a 6 out of 10. Yeah, not bad. 6.5 maybe. Anyways, I will see y'all next time, and please subscribe, like, and comment. Please comment, people, and tell your friends about Lego Tony B. Thanks.